Welcome to Uncle Bird's Barbecue, and I'm your favorite uncle, Uncle Bird. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to trim and prep your turkey. This works for all cooking methods, including smoking, grilling, frying, and baking in the oven. The tools that you'll be using today are going to be a 48 Blade Jaccard meat tenderizer and a pair of OXO Good Grip poultry shears. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is to remove your turkey from the packaging. Turn the turkey so that the breast is facing down and use your shears to remove the netting and plastic packaging from the turkey. Make a cut in the plastic near the tail and then use your shears to run up the backbone of the turkey, being careful not to slice into the skin. Once the turkey has been removed from the packaging, take out the pop-up thermometer in the giblet bag. Now the giblet bag is normally going to be under the skin on top of the breast, or sometimes it's in the cavity. And you'll also need to remove the backbone once the turkey cavity has been opened. And you can use the giblets and neck bones to make gravy or stock. It's totally up to you. You'll need to remove the plastic piece from the turkey. It's called a hock lock. Now it's actually an oven safe nylon, but you'll need to remove it because you have to open up the leg for trimming. It's pretty easy to remove. The first thing you need to do is push the tail through the hock lock and then remove the legs. Once those are removed and the legs are opened, you'll be able to see a piece that goes across the bottom of the backbone. You're going to want to get your middle finger behind that piece and pull for strong, even pressure, and it'll pop right out. Go ahead and remove the neck bone from the cavity, and then I'm going to use my poultry shears to cut off the extended portion of the neck. That way it doesn't tear a hole in the full pan or oven bag if I decide to use it. Remove any excess fat from the breast area and then use your finger to work underneath the skin and separate the skin from the breast meat. This is going to create a pocket for the seasonings to go into. To prepare the leg inside portion, you're going to want to make two cuts. The first cut is going to open up the thigh, and the second cut remove any excess fat. The remaining skin will be used to cover the breast. To loosen the skin on the leg and thigh, you want to start with your finger at the joint of the leg, and then you use your finger to slowly start separating the skin from the meat. Now, in order to separate the skin from the thigh area, you're going to want to use two fingers and a rolling motion to separate the thigh from the skin without tearing it off completely. Now, in this example, I'm holding the turkey upside down so that you can see all the area that we will be able to apply seasoning to once the turkey is removed from the brine. Now, check the link above for a brine video in which I show you how to make a simple and cheap wet brine. Now, you want to use your Jaccard and Jaccard each breast 4 times and then 2 to 3 times for each turkey quarter. Now, your turkeys are ready for the brine, and as my granddaddy Clarence would say, that's going to be about the size of it. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if you found value in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and watch the next video. Thank you.